Hey guys, we're back again. Just going to scrap out a little common bathroom faucet here because I don't know if I've done one before. And plus, it's the most common one you're going to find. It's a nice hunk of brass in here. Oop, finger out of the way. As you can see, that rod right there is also brass. But it's fairly simple. I just want to show this to you just so you can see how it comes apart. No big deal. Get you down the holder here. That's working. And like I said, these rods are usually brass, so they might have some rust on it. If in doubt, use your file. You just take the surface off of there. In fact, that's not brass. That's steel. So, that's a loser already. Anyway, usually there's some plastic caps on here. I just grab a tool with a point on it and just pop them off. A couple of Phillips head screws. Go ahead and remove these. Coffee's kicking in. Can't hold the screwdriver straight. There we go. Sometimes the screws are stainless. I don't bother with them. I just throw them in the steel parts bucket. Get them out of the way. Once the screws are out, just grab this and come straight off. Just like that. Okay, and these look like they might have some nuts on here. We'll find out. Let's see what that wants to do. Yep, sure enough. You see the little nuts on there? These just turn off. Just like that. Valves are usually plastic with a couple of rubber grommets in them or washers. They're not worth anything. Come on out there, you. There we go. These might be brass. And sure enough, they are. You can see the yellow coming right through. And these are usually, of course, always stuck on here. You can try to pry them off. I just pop it like that. See if I can't knock them loose. Sometimes they come loose, sometimes they don't. As you can see, I got that nice and loose there. The bottom here, you got a plate with two screws, and you've got an aerator. This just unscrews to the left, if you can get a grip on it. My channel locks are about giving up the ghost on me. There we go. Take that off. Just punch out the screens. You don't need any of that junk. This piece is also usually brass. Yes, it is. So you get that off of there just like that. Now get the two screws out. Oh, and by the way, a little tip. To keep from stripping these out and just having your screwdriver swirl so on there really tight, sometimes you can take your hammer, just get a little tap, and then try it. Most of the time, it's going to work for you. Of course, since I wanted to bring that up, this one isn't going to want to come out. Here's my other trick. Hold it and push it as hard as you can while you turn. And there we go. That is aluminum. There's 2 more screws in here that are going to come out. Those look to be brass, so I want to save them. They also appear to be double slotted. It's either Phillips head or flathead. Go ahead and use the flathead. Sometimes you can pop them loose easier without stripping them out. There we go. Brass screw. Get in there. There we go. Keep coming. Once you get that loose, this holder plate, that's steel. Now this whole thing should come loose, just like that. This is either cast aluminum or cast zinc. I want to call it aluminum. This is unusual. See how that came right off of there? You can just break these off of here usually. These tubes are usually copper, but this one's all brass. See right there? That's pretty cool. The only thing I got to do now for this piece is just get these valves out of here and we're good to go. Of course, they're probably not going to come out for me. I know. I'm being all negative today for some reason. Long night last night. Big scrap run. big scrap run. Here we go. Aha. TD. Just like that. And yes, 2D is a technical term. Let's see if I can get this one moving. Get in there. Come on. Notice I am not using gloves. Use gloves when you do this, please. This stuff isn't worth a whole hell of a lot of money. It's not worth getting hurt over. Tapped out from the bottom. Okay. So, 6 ounces there. I don't know. You could get about a half pound of brass on this. It's got $1.40 a pound right now, so it's about 70 cents. Which is a good thing for half a pound, because half a pound of steel right now is about 3 cents. So I'll take it every time. So there you go. Just want to show you that. Fairly simple. Till next time. See ya.